Welcome to Cluck and Hop Homestead, where chickens cluck and rabbits hop. Let's collect some eggs. Collecting eggs with the old man. See what's in the coop first. Be light. There's light. Oh, there's a few. There's a few eggs. Oh, gotta watch your step. Somebody decided not to sit that out there. Oh, that's a good nest. Sit them over here. Cool. Sit them outside. And go outside and get them. Oh, that's good. All right. While we're here, why don't we just go ahead and sift in coffee here. Clean the nest board. That'll be all my chores. There we go. Sift the coffee. Coffee grounds. So easy. They're so dry. Just falls right out. Coffee grounds. So easy. As soon as the chicken poop touches the coffee's so dry, it adheres to it. Bonds with it, becomes a solid clump. It just falls off. What doesn't stick falls right off. Look at that. Coffee grounds. The way to go. Smooth it back out. Give them a place to climb back up. That's just pure coffee grounds. There's a little clump. Sift through it all you want. Get a few granules. This scooper's got like 3/8 of an inch opening. So if you get little pieces between that, like that, and that's it. Hang that back up. Roosting board clean. Turn the lights out. Close the door. Welcome to the chicken coop, where they're clucking crazy. If you don't believe me, cluck around and find out. All right. Now that that's done, we need a basket. Looks like a good basket. How about that for a basket? All right. Let's do this. Let's sit this right here so you can get a good view. And we'll see what many eggs we got. Collecting eggs with an old man. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. 10 eggs from, we have 10 chickens 1 year old. And that's what they do. They lay like clockwork. Rhode Island Reds. Rhode Island Reds. All right, that's it for collecting eggs at the chicken coop. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the like button. Whatever. It helps the algorithm get our videos out. Would appreciate any help you can give us. All right, and that's it. All I did was clean the roosting board, collect the eggs. That's all we're gonna do this afternoon. I'm gonna take care of some rabbits here in a minute. We'll just water them and feed them. We'll do that separately. All right. Thank you all for joining us. Like I said, subscribe if you can. We got eggs. It's time to say our favorite words. Cluck it. Walk away. And away we go. Get some eggs in your backyard. You can do it. It's easy.
As the sun goes down and the animals return to the coop, together we'd like to say thank you for hanging out with us at Cluck Homestead. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to support the animals, just scan the QR code. Until next time, keep your chickens clucking and your rabbits hopping. Have a great day. See you on the next one.